Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Street Fighter 6 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. From here, click on the search box at the top section and then type in Street Fighter 6 and start your search. Once you find the game, go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into the game info page. From here, you can just click on the Add to Cart button alongside the version that you wish to buy and then click on View My Cart to continue forward with making your payment. After clicking on the Continue to Payment button, you will be allowed to choose from your credit or debit card as well as your PayPal account. Choose either one of these and provide the necessary credentials. Finally, you can click on the Continue button to finalize your transaction. And once it is done, this game will be added onto your library and you will now be able to install this game with a single click. After the game is installed, you can start enjoying the game from your library right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Street Fighter 6 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.